Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Hoya and me channel. Today we are making fried meat and rice. Let's start with the fried meat. I've got onions cut into small pieces, 2 bulbs, 1 tomato, coriander, half a lime. On the other plate I've got onion, peppers and potatoes. On this small bowl I've got garlic and coriander, curry spices, Maggi and salt. I've got frozen veggies which I'll be frying separately. And in this bowl I've got meat cut into small slices, mixed bones and steaks. For the rice we have got onions, 1 red onion and 1 white onion cut into small pieces, coriander, lime and tomatoes, 1 tomato cut into small pieces, 2 pieces carrots grated. The small bowl I've got spices, mixed spices, salt, Maggi, garlic and coriander, and also cinnamon and condiments. I'm now frying the onion. I'll wait until it's a little bit brown. We'll be adding the meat inside. Make sure we fry it. We'll be adding our paste. We have added our paste, the salt, the Maggi, because they have to cook inside properly. I'll be adding the tomatoes and the coriander as well. I've added my tomato, coriander and all the spices. So I have to fry. Put everything. I have to fry so that the salt, everything goes in well. Then we'll come back. In this small pan I'm steaming my vegetables. Our meat have fried a little bit and dried. Now I'll add some more water, 2 bowls. Two small bowls, and I'll cover again until it dries again. My meat is fried now. I'll add a little bit soy sauce and my potatoes as well. I've added the potatoes. I'll cover to fry a little bit. I'll come back to you. Our meat has fried and the potatoes are ready. I'll add the onions and the peppers on one side. so that's a little bit fried, a little bit, not too much. Our meat is ready and dry. The peppers also and the onions are fried a little bit, it's enough cooked, so they're ready to be served. I'm preparing the rice now. I'm frying my onions. I've got some oil and onions in my pan. I'll fry until it's golden. I'll add my spices and the tomatoes and the Maggi. And my carrots as well, my grated carrots. My onions, the fried properly and the carrots. I'll add the rice now. I've boiled my rice for 10 minutes and rinsed. I'm frying the rice. With the carrots and the tomatoes till a little bit dry. My rice is fried and dry now. I'll add some boiling water into it. Until the water is a little bit hot. Our rice has simmered, it has dried. Ready to be served. Our vegetable has simmered as well, ready to be served. I'm making chili. I've got mango, lime, onions, coriander, garlic, tomatoes, and chili over there. I've got tamarind and tomatoes in this bowl. This is the tomato and the tamarind is in this bottle. I've got salt in that plate as well. I've put all the ingredients in that bowl. I'll go and blend it and come back. A little bit oil in this pan, and I've blended all my ingredients for the chili, so I'll be frying for a few minutes. Our chili is ready. You can put in a bottle with a lid and put in the fridge and use for 1 week. Our rice and fried meats are ready and the vegetables. Thank you.